Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more exciting ideas. Hello guys, today I'm making a unicorn wall hanging with the popstick and the colorful yarns. Completely or carefully watch my video or follow my step to make a beautiful unicorn wall hanging. I'm gonna use the hexagon shape. You can also use your choice shape. It may be circle or a hexagon or a pentagon. It's your choice. So I'm gonna make it on pentagon shape. So look at this. Okay, I'm gonna attach these flowers in my YouTube shorts. Watch my YouTube shorts to make these things, how to make these bows and flowers. These videos are also available on my channel, so keep watching my videos. The link is given below into the description box, so keep watching my videos. Hopefully you like my ideas. So now I'm gonna attach the unicorn horn over there. Look at this. Now I'm randomly cover the yarn. So I'm gonna firstly use the pink color yarn over here. Add some tassels over here. Hopefully you like my ideas, so subscribe my channel for the more exciting ideas. Bye bye.